Battering your favorite fried foods is easier than ever before with the collapsible batter bowl from Game Maker. The collapsible space-saving design expands to hold enough food to feed your hungry guests, and the transparent sides make it easy to see an even batter coating for that delicious fried food taste we all crave. Suitable for all foods, from fish to shrimp, even onion rings are a breeze. Put your breading on the bottom, your food on the top, and turn it over to ensure an even coating. It is as simple as that. And because it is dishwasher safe, cleanup is easier than before. Change the way you prepare fried foods with the original collapsible batter bowl from Game Maker.